Our science lesson today is on the life cycle of the butterfly. What do you know about butterflies? How does the life of a butterfly begin? A female butterfly lays her eggs on a leaf. A butterfly can lay up to 100 eggs. Sometimes they lay a bunch together. Other times they spread them among different leaves. The eggs look large in this picture, but they are actually about the size of a pinhead. What happens next? Stage 2. Usually, after about 4 days, some can take longer, the egg hatches into a tiny larva, a caterpillar. The job of the caterpillar is to eat constantly. The food it eats is stored in its body to be used later when it is an adult. While it is growing, the caterpillar will shed its skin several times. When the caterpillar is done growing, it stops eating and enters its next stage. Third stage of a butterfly's life cycle. Notice the covering that the caterpillar is spinning around itself. It is now called a pupa. It has a hard covering around it called the chrysalis. The chrysalis is attached to a twig. The caterpillar goes through a metamorphosis or a transformation inside the cocoon. It will grow wings and legs, turning into a butterfly. Fourth stage. The butterfly emerges from the chrysalis by breaking open the cocoon. It will then lay very still so that its wings can dry, and then it will fly away. The adult butterfly will lay its eggs to start the life cycle again, and then it dies. Here is a video of the life cycle of a butterfly.
Our topic for today is life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. These eggs hatch, and young ones called larvae or caterpillars come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the eggshell from which it is born. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating. It then forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis. In this stage, the caterpillar is now called pupa. The pupa remains motionless in the chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa undergoes a series of changes. After about 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. When the butterfly comes out, its wings are small and wet. The butterfly pumps fluids into its wings to make them strong and to expand. After a few hours, the wings become strong enough and the butterfly is able to fly. These series of changes in the life cycle of a butterfly is called metamorphosis.
Let's review the life cycle of a butterfly. I want you to complete the life cycle of a butterfly on the focus page in your assignment. There's also a matching where you will drag the pictures to the wings of the butterfly in the order of that they go on the life cycle. Have fun!